Senator Manny Pacquiao and former Sarangani Vice Governor Jinkee Pacquiao have been married for 21 years. To celebrate their anniversary, Jinkee shared throwback photos of their civil wedding. The Politiko couple were married in 1999. Jinkee looks back at their 2 decades of marriage. Ending it on a funny note about the senator's blonde hair. They have been blessed with 5 children.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.